In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure in Adobe Express. If you've ever needed a design to be an exact size, whether it's a social post in pixels or a print piece in inches, this walkthrough will show you how to set precise dimensions so your layout comes out right the first time. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into your account. Being logged in ensures your projects and brand assets are available and that your changes will sync. On the left side of the home screen, you'll see options like Your Stuff and Start New Design. Click Your Stuff if you want to open an existing project and adjust or add a correctly sized page to it. If you're starting from scratch, choose Start New Design to begin with a clean slate. Next, click New Design. This opens the editor and gets you into a workspace where you can control the canvas size. Once you're in the editor, look to the lower right corner and click Add Page. This is helpful when you want to introduce a fresh page to your project that follows the exact measurements you're about to set. Now, select Custom Size. You'll see fields for width and height along with the units menu. Pick the unit that matches your final output. Use pixels for screens and digital graphics, or inches and millimeters for print. As a quick guideline, pixels are ideal for web posts, stories, and thumbnails, while physical prints usually rely on inches or millimeters. If your design needs to fit a specific frame or platform spec, match those measurements here. Enter your custom sizes carefully. Double check which value is width and which is height, especially if orientation matters. A landscape layout has a wider width than height. A portrait layout is the opposite. If you're basing your size on a template, you can mirror its aspect ratio by keeping the same proportion when you type new numbers. When you're done, click Add Page to confirm. Adobe Express will create the new page using the exact dimensions you specified, ready for your content. You can repeat this process anytime you need additional measured pages within the same project. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, made sure you were logged in, created a new design, added a page, chose custom size, and entered the precise measurements. With your canvas now set correctly, you can design confidently, knowing your output will match your requirements.